Took it that way.
They took,
You gonna go get the dog?
Studio, and he was modeling that hat for customer advice.
Are you laughing? Where are the dogs? Look at the dogs.
Because the three that she sent me, I like this one because he had such a pretty smile. Of course, I should have gotten tried to get a little bit closer than you could have seen the smile.
That's a dog, silly.
Those were three good ones, though.
I'm sure he thinks he's a dog. I'm sure of it.
I've been enjoying, where I can send emails. When I take a picture, I can email them to people, and also I can send them to their phone if they have a camera phone. So I kind of have enjoyed my phone. I think I need a camera phone. I said I wish Pat would get her a camera phone, so then I could email her some pictures.
Yeah.
So Bob, you want a katana? They even have better ones now. They're a darker pink.
Oh, yeah?
They have different colors, but